Hello, friends. Happy day 3 of this week. We're going to jump right in and get started with our sounds. Remember, we're working on rhyming words and we're also working on blends this week. So keep those things in mind as we go through. All right, let's start with our rhyming words. So this week I'm giving you a rhyming part and you have to give me a word that has that part in it. Like the word ein, and we said shine. So our first one today is ing. I can think of a lot for this one. Good. You could say bring or thing or sing. So many words have ing in them. What about are? This one has a lot too, like star or car or far. All right, great work. Now we're going to move on to listening to the first sound. So I want you to break that blend apart and tell me the first sound that you hear in those words. So the first two words are smile and smart. What's the first sound that you hear? S, right? Smile. What about press, proud? Good. Hopefully you hear a p, p, press. The next one is treat, tree. That's that tricky blend. Tr, so it's t, t, t. And then the next one is great, green. Good. G, g, great. And then the last one is skunk, skate. Did you hear a s sound? Skate. Okay, now we're going to go into chopping our sounds. So you're going to blend them first. I'm going to chop them. Ready? Blend. Blend. Did you blend that word together? The next one is celery. Celery. Good job. What about program? Program. That's a long one. The next one is slowly. Slowly. And the last one, this is a long one. Ready? Yesterday. Yesterday. Good. We blended these words yesterday. All right, now it's your turn. The first word is stretcher. Stretcher. Okay, it's a long one. Ready? Stretcher. Stretcher. The next one is front. Ready? Front. Front. Good work. And the next one is sweeter. Sweeter. Okay, ready? Sweeter. Sweeter. And the last one is chimney. Chimney. Ready? Chimney. Chimney. Good job. Okay, let's move on to our next part where you're going to be listening for a sound in the word. And I want you to tell me if you hear it at the beginning, the middle, or the end of the word. The sound we're listening for today is the brr sound. Brr, like your cold fur. So listen for that sound as we're going through, and I want you to tell me where you hear it. The first word is bring. Right, that one's at the beginning. Bring. What about branch? That's at the beginning too. Branch. The next one is celebrate. That one's in the middle. Celebrate. What about bracket? That one's in the beginning. Bracket. And the last one is eyebrow. That one's in the middle. Eyebrow. Okay, now we're going to add a sound to the end of the word. So hold up your hands. We're going to add a sound. I'm going to give you the sound, add a sound, clap them together. Ready? The word is pay, add n. Pay, n. Pain. The next one is pay, add ul. So pale, pale. The next one is pay, add v. Pave, pave. Try pay, add s. Pace, pace. Pay, add d. Paid, paid. And the last one is pay, add j. Page, page. Good job. It's not so hard when we practice, right? Okay, for the next part, we're going to take away the ending sound. So we just practiced adding it on. Now I want you to take it away. Just the last part. So the word is whale. What's whale without ul? So you have way, way, ul. Way. So way is what's left. The word is wake. What's wake without k? So you have wake. So way. The word is wave. The word is wave. What's the part? What's left when you take away the v? Right, way again. The next one is wage. What's wage without j? Right, it's way again. The next one is wade. What's wade without d? It's way again. And the last one is wane. What's wane without n? Yeah, it's way again. Of course, that's what we were practicing today. All right, great job. Just one more thing left to do and then we're all done. We're going to change the last sound now. So we were just practicing putting a new one on or taking one off and we practiced putting one on. So now we just gotta put it together. Ready? So the word is sheet. Change t to p. So sheet becomes sheep, sheep. The next one is laid. What's our change d to t? So laid becomes late, late. The word is bite. Change t to k. So bite becomes bike, bike. The next one is step. Change p to Step becomes stem, stem. And the last one is save. Change v to ul. Save becomes sail, sail. Right, great work. Awesome job. Give yourself a silent celebration, high five, and I will see you again tomorrow, friends. Bye.